Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today we have another we have another unboxing video. So you see all of these boxes right there, over there. This is my situation right now. I have everything in boxes and I've been wanting to, oh my god, I'm tired. I have to carry the box all the way up there. I've been wanting to get like organized, put everything in one spot and not have them in boxes. So I ordered this big organizer thingy and we're just gonna open it. I've been doing a lot of unboxing lately because I don't know, but yeah. So this is what we're gonna do right now. This is what I'm on the floor because I have to build it and I finally caved and bought it. It was $29.99, I think like $30. I was like, I'm not about to spend $30 on drawers, plastic drawers, but here we are. So I spent the money. Let's see. Ooh, this hurts. Anyways, let me get up. So I can put a picture of what I ordered like on the side somewhere here, if I remember. But they got the styrofoams. I hate the noise of that thing. Oh my god. And it's a set of black drawers because my colors are purple and black. So yeah, I have 5 drawers over here. This on the floor. We got rods. Ow, ow, ow. I just hurt myself. More drawers, screws. I mean, I think these are the handles. I don't know. Screws. This is the top. This is the thingy, and it's kind of not tall, but it is. It's like at my waist. So that's 2 of these. Okay, we got this. Yeah, that's it. Wheels, screws, and instructions. So, this is trash. We are throwing that over there. Whoa. And we're getting ready to build. I can't speak English. Build. So let me make you guys, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but we are on the floor. I think I should film this with my back camera. Hold on. Okay, I will try my best to show you guys what I'm doing. But let me back up. Ooh. We're on the floor. Okay. Instructions. So we're supposed to have 10 of these, 4 of these, 10 of these. Something, wheels, a cap. Yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is install H2A. This is A, I think. It's just Okay. Huh? 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 So, you know how IKEA has those stickers? This one doesn't have that. So I am very confused. I mean, deeply, intensively confizzled. So, pretty sad. This thing is upside down. I think. Is that the side with the screws? I'm so confused. This has to go inside, right? Oh! Now I understand. I was very confused. So it was showing me 4 black things, and it's these. Ooh. It's these I have to put at the end of these. There you go. I am going to hurt myself. Yep, I already did. It's just not bleeding yet. Sorry for the people downstairs, because a sister was not bad. What if this is not how I'm supposed to do it? I'm very curious. Now I have to put these into these. That doesn't seem hard, right? Let's take this with the long screws. Screwdriver, long screw, metal rod into this. Alright, so a million years later, it's standing and it's sturdy. So there you have it. I made sure that's where the drawer goes. I made sure they face inward, so I didn't want to make that stupid mistake. Be like, oh, then have to unscrew everything, like no. So I made sure of that. At least that was something dumb I didn't do. And I got hurt. And one of the metal thingies right here, I just shoved my hand right into it. So, yeah. The things you do for business in YouTube. Next, we put on the wheels. Wait, this is supposed to go straight on top of it. Well, next we put on the wheels. So I'll just put it back upside down, face me. And then I'll just shove in the, wow, super easy. So I just shoved them, and they lock too. Oh, that's great. Amazing. So I have to make sure to put the lock ones, like these ones right here. I have to make sure I put them in front, and then these ones don't have the lock, so they go in the back. So that's what I'm doing right now. There you go. I think this one's unlocked. Yeah. So there we have it. And then now I have to put this top right here in there. But I have my screws in there, so I'm just gonna... It's supposed to just go on top. Like that. Not needing to screw anything. There you go. Yep. So we're almost ready. Look at that. I have a meeting at 6. Oh, I have time. I have a meeting at 6, so I thought I was gonna be late to it. Now all I have to do is the drawers. I have to add the knobs to the drawers. Ooh. The knob, and then they also gave me screws for the knobs. So like that. And then I would just put in the drawers, I guess. So like this. Just like so. Ooh, ooh, look at that. She looking fancy or whatever. Fancy or whatever. Ta-da! Ooh, 20 minutes later, a million trash later. Like, this is all trash. Anyways, we have our own organizer. Open. I probably won't even be using the knobs. I think they're just there to be cute because, like, you just grab it like that and it opens. So, We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And then this one on top is like a little extra. So once I expand my business and have like a lot more products, I guess, I'll probably be buying another one of these. And I saw like the white ones and the the ombre ones and the colorful ones, and I was just like, no. That's gonna mess up with the aesthetic of my room, which is purple and black. So I saw the black one. I was looking for a purple one, but they don't have it. So maybe if I feel like it, I might just like spray paint those purple or something like that one day when I feel like it. I'm just going to, I have some time, so I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna change my shirt, make another video of how I organize this. So this one is the like building one. I'll figure it out. I'll figure out a name because YouTube algorithms and whatever, it's just like you gotta like name your things, like I don't know, but I'll figure out some name for that. But anyways, that was it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the RoseMetics fam. And comment down below. I keep looking at the phone. And comment down below to let me know what you think of this organizer. It was $30. Was it worth it? You know, like, was the $30 really worth it? I think it was. I just did not want to spend the $30, but I feel like it's going to be really worth it. And I just wish the drawers were like a little bigger, but that's whatever. And yeah, anyways, bye guys. Choo.